Here we go with the Wednesday Valentine's Day edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let's begin with a look at yesterday's numbers. It was a chilly weather day across the region. A lot of highs in the 40s across North Carolina. Really pretty uniform. Mountains, foothills, Piedmont, even a lot of the coast, only in the 40s yesterday afternoon. There's your Triad area high temperatures. Low to mid-40s, Charlotte viewing region, 40s to around 50 in Gastonia, 39 in Jefferson, 43 in Boone. So just a chilly day across the region, and it's a pretty cold start to this Valentine's Day. There's our Greensboro Tower camera temperature at 547, 32 degrees this morning with a wind chill at 26. We'll take a peek down in Charlotte. The Dowd YMCA camera looking good this morning, but chilly, 40 in Charlotte. A lot of folks in the Piedmont, though, in the 30s. 41 over in Fayetteville, 37 in Raleigh, a little bit milder in the mountains. This is a classic case where you have this wedge in place, so the lower elevations actually a little bit colder than some of the mountain elevations in some instances. Now, look at Storm Tracker radar off to the west of us. This southwesterly flow continues. That is occasionally bringing disturbances our way. One such disturbance approaching today. So we have some clouds beginning to stream into the region once again. You look west of us, Kentucky, Tennessee, down into North Mississippi and Alabama, Arkansas, Louisiana, some showers. And that disturbance is moving in our direction. More on that in just a second. Temperature-wise, you can clearly see the effects of that wedge building down the eastern seaboard again this morning. But that's providing us with a chilly start to the day, but that wedge will be eroding with time today. So you check out Futurecast, notice highs much milder than what we had yesterday as that wedge gradually erodes. Now, as that disturbance approaches, clouds, a few showers, a possibility today, but really the tendency will be once you get east of the mountains, that rain chance to really diminish. A few showers east of the mountains, but nothing overly impressive. But it will be milder today than yesterday. There's our highs this afternoon. And then not as cold tonight is what we're seeing as we speak, with temperatures in the 50s in many spots for lows. Now, really warm finish to the work week. We've been talking about that all week. No changes here. Thursday looks really warm. There's your highs tomorrow afternoon. Could push 80 in some of the warmer spots. Sandhills down in the Midlands of South Carolina. And due to the timing of the front, I still think Friday's pretty warm. And then some shower chances arrive later in the day Friday. So there's your Friday afternoon high temperatures. A much different scenario than for Saturday. Northeasterly flow in place, and here comes another wave of low pressure. It's actually centered there in North Alabama and Georgia there on the European model. That's a really chilly rain scenario for most of the region, and then that gets out of here as we get into Sunday. Your high Saturday looking like that across the region, but then if you're wondering, I do think we get into a warmer pattern again for at least the first several days of next week. That milder air looking quite likely over the eastern part of the country. But let me show you a couple things here. Let's go to the GFS computer model here. This is the 0Z run valid Saturday. You can see the precipitation moving in, and with this chilly air mass in place, foothills, northern mountains, and especially up into Virginia, it could involve a period of some wintry precipitation. There we are Saturday evening, and then Saturday night. European a little bit warmer with this, and so there's the European depiction Saturday afternoon and evening, and then into the overnight hours. Canadian more in line with the European. So I think for most of the Carolinas this is liquid. Can't rule out northern foothills, maybe seeing a little period of some wintry precip Saturday, but at this point I don't think that's looking like a big deal. And there are some signs as we get toward the end of the month, and especially into March, that we flip to a colder and stormy pattern, but still kind of honing in on that. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.